So I'm looking for price to come into this area of imbalance. Once price gets into this area of imbalance, we're going to look for potential sell opportunities. I like this area because if we measure the range from the expansion that was created, that is in and around the 71% level, which I personally like. It's also inside this box here, which is your premium level. Now you might be thinking, why am I not using this entire range? There's a couple of reasons. One, the expansion started from this area here. Price retraced a little bit higher and then expanded to the downside. Two, I'm using a 3 candle formation to actually work out the bottom and top of my trading ranges. So how that essentially looks is if you get 3 candles, the middle wick has to be higher than the 2 wicks either side of it. So you've got 1, 2, 3 candle formations, which in turn make a high, and the opposite side would make a low. Now, as you can see, price is inside our point of interest area. If we go to a smaller time frame, you can see within this area of interest, we've created another area of sell side imbalance. As you can see, price tapped into the entry, targeting sell side liquidity. These are opportunities you can find in the market as long as you are being patient and you're waiting for the highest quality setups. They might not come every day, but if you are observant within the market and you actually wait, you practice discipline, you practice patience, you will be able to find opportunities like this and benefit from them.